If we could travel at 99.9% the speed of light, it would take 4 years to get to Alpha Centauri. Would the people on the spaceship feel like they were stuck on board for 4 years, or would it feel shorter for them? Nope, time dilation is a cool part of special relativity. At 99.9% the speed of light, the trip would be 0.17-ish years to the occupants of the spaceship. The closer you get to 100%, i.e., add more nines to the end of your percentage, the faster the trip would feel to the occupants. Here's a cool calculator site you can play with to see these effects. Link. This seems to be a frequent question, and it's a good one. How would you age? The traveler would age relative to the time they experience. So on this trip, while everyone on Earth experienced 4 years, you'd only age a few months. Take a long enough trip and you might just outlive your own grandchildren. Edit 2. Time dilation has been proven experimentally using very precise measurements. Here's a link to an article for some further reading. Link. As some have pointed out, it would take a long time to accelerate to these speeds at 1 gram and would require a huge amount of energy to do so. Definitely not practical with current propulsion technologies. I have heard that large solar sails might be able to accelerate small probes to high speeds 20 to 30% c, which would be a cool thing to see. Edit 3. For those curious about the solar sail probe, if you Google Starshot you'll find a lot of info about it. Link. As many have pointed out, time dilation is a direct result of the length contraction observed by the traveling body. Also, thanks for the gifts, kind strangers. Edit 5. Another fun link. Thanks to you, Constantinua 00, talking about relativistic effects on mission duration. Link. The time dilation factor is 1f2, 0.5, where f is the fraction of light speed. This means that the experienced travel time that passes inside the ship approaches 0 as f approaches 1. If you could travel arbitrarily close to light speed, you would experience the journey as effectively instantaneous. Here's a calculator for it. Link. 0.999c, 99.9% light speed. It calculates that time is slowed down to 4.47% of the outside value. That means 4 years are experienced as approximately 65 days. Edit. Fix the wording. This is literally the time that passes for the ship. It affects everything, from atomic clocks to metabolisms to brain activity.